What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning Only Wanna Sing by Hillsong Young and Free. What an amazing song. I really love the song, and the acoustic version actually. Not the original that much, but the acoustic version, amazing. Let me play it for you. It sounds like it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is no performance, Lord, I pray it's worship. Empty words I can't afford. There's my chasing feeling, that's not why I'm singing. You're the reason for my song. Ooh. And I only wanna sing if I sing with everything. If I sing for you, my King. Ooh. And I can't imagine what I would do this all for high, 'cause it's all to lift you high. You don't want perfection, just my soul's attention.
I love this song. So much fun to play and just such beautiful chords. And I know what you're thinking probably if you're looking at this and you're like, oh, what are these numbers? I don't know. Don't worry about it. It's pretty quick to figure out, okay? So 6 is going to be an E minor. And 4 is going to be C. 1 is going to be G. And 3 is going to be a B minor. Now 1/3 is going to be G/B. Okay. You guys got that? Sweet beans. So let's start with the basic progression of the song that they use throughout the verse. It's just E minor. We're doing the E minor 7th here. Okay. Ooh, that was bad. And for the strumming, we just got this light down, down, up, up, down, up, down,
This is no performance, Lord, I pray it's worship. Empty words I can't afford.
So E minor, that's the 6. The 4 is C add 9. The 1 is G. The B minor is this B minor 7. Don't play the top string, just mute that with the index finger, or with the right hand, just play the thumb. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Oh wait, I haven't got the chords there. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, ba, da, ba, da, 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 da.
This is no performance, Lord, I pray it's worship. Empty words I can't afford. Ooh, more than
So you just keep playing those chords throughout the whole section, okay? And then the chorus, we're gonna do this C. It's like an A minor, but it's over here. 2, 3, 3. So 4, 5. So this is C, D. So for the let me just back down here a little bit. So this the 4 is we could C, and then we just move this up 2 frets for the 5, the D, and then another 2 frets, but you take off your middle finger for the E minor and take the index finger back. Then you got the 6th chord, which is E minor, and then for the 1/3, you just take this whole set up here, 5th fret and 7th fret, and take it up 1 string. So you got this. If I sing for you, my King,
if I sing.
So there you just keep it longer, and on the fourth beat you go to the one. My king, 2, 3, 4, and I can't imagine why I would do this so the 1/1 you just play the 1/3 again. For high, 'cause it's all to lift you high. So the interlude is the same as the chorus. And then the rest of the song is exactly the same. Just those 2 chord progressions. It's just pretty basic. So to review, the first part of the song is G, E minor. This is C, G, D, B minor. And then the chorus is C, D, E minor, G/B. So I only wanna sing if I sing with you, my king. If I sing with everything. I can't imagine why I would do this over her. And that's for the pre-choruses. Oh, the interludes as well. You can use your regular chord C. I just love the song. It's just such a nice flowing song. The chord progressions just flow like really well. Like they don't. There's nothing awkward about the song. It's just like it's just made absolutely brilliantly. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. See you soon.